Hi there. In the previous module, we looked into the research and analysis aspect of online media buying. In this module, we will address the next step, the creation and testing of your first banner ad. Let us guide you through this process. Your banner creation, 3 simple steps. Start small by scaling it small. What you need to do is just adhere to these 3 simple steps to ensure your banner's success. These steps are: 1. Determine the size and style of your banner. 2. Connect to an ad server. 3. Set up an even delivery or frequency cap. Let's get into the nitty-gritty of these steps. Your first step, you need to determine the size and style of your banner. A common mistake a lot of people make when creating their first online banner is to choose the wrong banner size for their ads, and they end up wasting their resources. What you should do is to select the standard size for your online banners. The inline rectangle, 300 by 250. This size works perfectly in all sites and is great for starters. Next, you need to select your banner style. There are various banner styles to choose from, ranging from editorial, video, tabloid, handwriting, and many more. When selecting your style, be sure to align it with your campaign. It's also a factor that drives the traffic towards you. I know that some of you may not possess the expertise of creating your own banner. Therefore, to save you time and cost, you can always hire freelancers to design your very first banner for you. There are 2 major sites where you can hire freelancers for good quality work at a very reasonable price. They are $20banners.com, freelancer.com. Next, connect to an ad server. When you've created your banner, it's time for you to do a test run of your ads. This is when an ad server comes in real handy. An ad server is a paid software that helps you in test running your ads in different sites. It'll do all the work for you, helping you track how many views, clicks, and purchases that you've generated after the run. This tool is very practical and saves you a lot of time. Some of the very few ad servers that you may utilize are Ad Shuffle, Site Scout, and Zedo. Then set up an even delivery or frequency cap. After you've run your ads, you would know the patterns and how much clicks as well as sales you've been receiving. Consequently, in order to maximize your return on your investment, you should set up an even delivery or a frequency cap for your ad. Now, what does that mean? Well, it's a setting where you're able to control the number of times a customer may view your ad in a specific time frame. For even delivery, you determine when is the most effective time to run your ad. For instance, when you have a test run your banner, you realize that during the weekends, there are less visitors on your site as compared to the weekdays. Therefore, you only set your ad to be viewed on the weekdays so that you do not waste your resources. Meanwhile, for frequency cap, you determine how many times a customer may view your ad in a day. If they view it multiple times as well as clicking it, but they do not result in purchasing your product, it may also be a waste in resources. Hence, you may want to allow only a one-time viewing per day per customer for your ad. Test out your ads. Your ads are now up and running. Now you need to test your ads. It's the only way you'll know that your promotions are actually working and ensures that you get the best responses possible for your ad. First, start small by test running your banner ads on 3 to 5 websites. This makes it possible for you to track your ad's progress without overwhelming yourself. Your tracking includes how many views did your ad generate, how many clicks did it receive, and most important, how many customers were interested in navigating to your landing page. Did they result in purchasing your product? Next, ensure that you have already come up with various banner styles to test run your ads in multiple sites. You should have a collection of 10 different banners with different styles focusing on the same theme. Your styles may have a mixture of editorials, videos, and cartoon banners or others. This is so you can test run different styles at the same time to see what style performs better for you and choose to focus on the best performing style to maximize your return on investment. Now that you've mastered the mechanics, it's time for you to apply the 2 times conversion rule. This means that when your cost per ad, CPA, or how much money you invested for your product is $100, you should run your ad until you achieve $200 in return. Then you may decide whether to carry on or to stop. This means that you have a break even and that you have not wasted any of your time, money, or resources.